This is Mark the Meerkat suffering. Happy New Year 2014. Well, this is a trade that we had this morning in the GrokStar room on TWTR. Actually, this is pre-market. These aren't any trades. I'm going to show you two formations. First of all, we have this running down, and then it's in a symmetrical triangle. When it comes into a symmetrical triangle, it is more bearish than bullish because it wants to continue in the same direction. And so here's a symmetrical triangle breakdown. There's a description of it at our free chart school at freeonlinetradingeducation.com. And there's a description of it. There's a picture of it where it's getting tighter and tighter and tighter. Again, this has a tendency to be more bearish, and if it breaks down, it will with sufficient force. So here it is. It came down and it entered into this symmetrical triangle, and downside is also known as a Bear Pennant. And let's see what happened after that. Bam, bam, bam. Look at that. It dropped over 1% here in just a matter of 2 minutes as a 1-minute chart. This happened in pre-market, but I wanted to show you that formation because here's what happened next. After it found this low here, then it started to go up. And now what was happening is it was forming another symmetrical triangle, only this time it entered from the bottom side. This could also be known as a bull pennant, with the increased odds that if it breaks out, it will continue upward. So again, you can go to the free chart school right here, and then it goes to symmetrical triangle breakout. And again, it's getting tighter and tighter here. And again, the probabilities are that if it breaks out from there, it'll continue up. So here we have this tightening. They're both at about the same level, but let's see what happened after that. Boom, it took off. So you see here we had a Bear Pennant slash symmetrical triangle where it entered from the top and it broke down. Now it comes up and enters into a symmetrical triangle from the bottom, also known as a bull pennant, and it does what? It breaks out to the upside. And now here's what's also interesting is it then formed another symmetrical triangle, and then boom, it took off like a rocket just before opening and has been running up high all day. Well, these are some of the trades that we're doing in the GrokStar room. And if you're a day trader, you do not have to trade alone. You can come and trade with us 30 days for free. You don't even need a credit card. Just go to freeonlinetradingeducation.com, go to the chat room page, and down below you can sign up for that 30-day free trial. Well, this is Mark the Meerkat suffering. Again, a happy new year to each and every one of you. Just remember that no matter what happened in the past, doesn't matter. We have to live in the now when we trade. Trade well.